I have here about 300 grams of gizzards. If they are too big, just cut them into 2 pieces. I have here 400 grams of liver. If it is too big, you can just cut it into 2. This is about 300 grams of hearts. I have trimmed all the fat from this, whatever I could. Wash everything well at least 3 times. I'm going to clean the gizzards with 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt. This will remove any smell. After 2 minutes, I will wash it thoroughly. I'm going to wash these gizzards and remove all the vinegar and salt from this. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add cinnamon, cloves and a few peppercorns. I'm adding 2 chopped onions. Saute the onions till they turn translucent. Add 2 green chillies. Add a little bit of salt. Onion is starting to brown. I will now add the garlic ginger paste. This is about 1 tablespoon. Fry everything till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes. Add 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoon of cumin powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 2 medium chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook till the tomatoes turn soft and nice. Tomatoes have turned soft. Now I'll add the gizzards. And the hearts. Mix well. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Do not add any water. Liver takes a little lesser time to cook, so I will be adding them later. Now I'm going to add the liver. little salt. A little water. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Put 2 potatoes cut into small cubes. Cook till the potatoes are done. Add some coriander leaves. Just the salt. Got the required consistency. I'm now going to turn off the flame. And it's done. Let's now plate the dish and garnish it with some coriander leaves.